Want to give the perfect gift or treat to yourself? Here's how to get a Zara gift card. First, open the Zara app on your device. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here tap on payments. Now you can see the gift card option. Tap on it. You will see two options, e-gift card or physical card. Choose your preferred one, enter the amount and fill in the recipient's email or shipping address. You can also add a custom message, then proceed to payment and confirm your purchase. The gift card will be sent digitally or delivered to the address you select. E-gift card usually arrive within minutes, perfect for last-minute gifting. Have you ever received a Zara gift card? Tell us what you bought with it in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.